Okay, welcome back to paper 3 from June 2017. We're on question 19. A bit of a nasty one, this one. We've got to find two numbers. We have three facts about these two numbers. So we know they're bigger than 6. We know they've got a highest common factor of 6 and a lowest common multiple of 60. So it's this third fact that I'm going to use to get going on this question. So if these two numbers both have 60 as a multiple, that means these two numbers must go into 60. In other words, they're factors of 60. So we're going to start by listing factors of 60. So 1 times 60 is 60, so 1 and 60 are factors of 60. 2 times 30, so 2 and 30 are factors. 3 times 20, so 3 and 20 are factors. 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. So those are our factors of 60, quite a few. Now, let's look at rule number 2 here. So they've got a highest common factor of 6. So the two numbers, they both have 6 as a factor. So I'm just going to look at our answers we've got already and think, right, which of these have got 6 as a factor? So 6 is a factor of 6, 6 is a factor of 12, 6 is a factor of 30, and 6 is a factor of 60. So we're narrowing this down now. Now, look at the first fact. The numbers are greater than 6, so therefore we can discount 6. So that's not going to be one of our two numbers. And then we've got 3 possibilities. So now, come back to fact number 2. They have a highest common factor of 6. Well, if I look at 60, if the numbers were 30 and 60, well, 30 is the highest common factor of 30 and 60, so that doesn't work. And if it was 12 and 60, well, again, 12 is a factor of 60, so that doesn't give me a highest common factor of 6 there either. So our two answers must be 12 and 30. And just to be clear, so 6 is the highest common factor of 12 and 30. Yeah, that works. And also 12 and 30, they have 60 as a multiple and 60 as the lowest common multiple. So that's right. Perfect.